Hey, Justin from Wagan Tech here. Let's talk about getting compact with the new Bright Night Compact Lantern from Wagan Tech. This device packs a big punch in a very slim package. Starting out with the most obvious, this light features a 400 lumen dimmable light panel with multiple lighting modes such as white, amber, and a combo mode. But that's just the start. This light was designed for those on the go. This is impact resistant, tripod mountable, and comes with a built-in solar panel for outdoor charging. It also features a built-in adjustable clip, which folds beautifully into the body of the lantern. Great for camping, overlanding, as a general purpose light, and even for night hiking or walking the dog, the possibilities are endless. Get road ready and get compact with the new Bright Night Compact Lantern from Wagan Tech. Let me know what you would use this light for in the comments below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much for watching.